So hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. I know it's been a minute, but yeah, I've got another unboxing video for you guys. So yeah, let's stay tuned. I've got the package right here. It is, yep, you guessed it right, it's in the title. So yeah, it's from Gucci. Today is actually, I don't know if you guys can see, the 8th, which is the day after my birthday. My birthday is the 7th, so I'm going to a dinner today, so I want to basically wear the bag. I've literally had this bag for ages. I can't remember how long, but months, literally months and months and months, because I wanted to unbox it. Oh, here it is. Here she is. Here she is. Here she is. Here she is. So yeah, this is what I will be wearing tonight for my birthday dinner. Let's do a thumbnail. Anyways, yeah, back to it. So yeah, let's unbox it. So yeah, here she is once again. You guys will know what it is from the title. I can't believe I'm unboxing it. I've literally had this for months. I've had it for 3 months. Let me even check. I think the receipt is in the bag here already. So yeah, so shout outs to Sylvian, my SA. When did I get this? I literally got it ages ago. On the 22nd of September. So not that long, because we're now in January the 8th. So I got it to the 22nd of September. It's just been there. Obviously I want to wear it for my birthday dinner. So yeah, let's go guys. So it's got the dust bag as usual. I think I've only got like 3 Gucci products, or 4. I don't have any Gucci bag. This is my first Gucci bag. I've got a pair of trainers and a belt. But yeah, this is it. It comes in the nice dust bag to protect it, of course. I've not seen this since I bought it. Literally, I've not seen this since I bought it. So I am excited, as you can tell. Well, here she is. Oops, it's not even buckled up, but there we go. There she is. This is the Gucci Mini Ophidia. So yeah, you can adjust it as well. But yeah, I like the canvas. It's very quality. The stitching is really nice as well. It's just a nice minuscule bag. Can't fit much in it. I've already tested it when I bought it. Literally, my phone just about fits in. Literally, just about fits in. But I might have to put it at an angle. But I remember putting it in the shop and it fit. But that was my iPhone X. This is an iPhone 13, so I don't know if this is gonna fit in there. But I think this is slightly bigger than the X. Not too much bigger. But let's see what can fit inside. I'm gonna do a test of you guys. But yeah, this is it. I'm happy. So yeah, as I was saying, it comes with these. We have just a card in the card holder place. And then we have this. Yeah, I think that was the authentication card or something like that. I don't know. Or the batch number. I don't know. Don't mind me, guys. But yeah. There's more stuff in it. And then yeah, this is a key holder. So you can hang your keys in it, which is convenient because it is a small bag. And inside is just like that. It's got a card holder pouch for you to put your cards in, so you don't necessarily have to carry a wallet. But I'm going to do a test. I've bought all my items to see what can fit in here. I've got my card holder here, so that's gone in. I've got my phone here, that has gone in. I've got my sanitizer here. I couldn't find my keys. I don't think my sanitizer is going to fit. It could maybe if I do some shape shifting, but I don't really want to spoil the shape of the bag, so I'm not even going to try. So far I've only got my sanitizer in my card holder inside, and I've got like a mint that's gone in and 2 lip glosses. Those have both gone in comfortably. I also bought cream, but I'm not going to bother. So yeah, the bag is a nice cute size if you just want to carry like miniature stuff and not too many things. But yeah, I like it a lot. Literally, you can just have it on your shoulder or just carry it around, you know, on your hand like that. Literally, it's cute. I love the detailing. Let me give you guys a close-up. But yeah, this is it. This is a Gucci Ophidia mini bag. And so guys, that's me done with my unboxing video. You'll see me in the next few clips wearing this on. And yeah, I need to go to my dinner now for my birthday, so I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this video and other videos. Check all my other videos out. So yeah, God bless you guys. Peace.